The topic for the concept of this month is the strategy of the Lotus Sutra. The term strategy refers to a systematic plan of action, a clear way to produce effective results. From the Buddhist perspective, putting our firm faith first is the best strategy for leading the most victorious and fulfilling life. Regarding the strategy of the Lotus Sutra, for us is the unshakable faith. In other words, our prayer, planning with Buddha wisdom, action with courage based on chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, and winning unitedly. As a disciple, our spirit is to seek the teachings and example of our mentors in faith. Now, our fellow comrades will carry on.
In support of his practice, and because of this he have suffered a lot during the service. His land was also taken by his lord Emma, and he faced a lot of hardships because of the faith. Yet he continues his seeking spirit and seek Nichiren Daishonin every time he encountered obstacle in his life. And a series of goshos are written to Shijo Kenjo, symbolizing his seeking spirit and the oneness of his mentor and disciple, which is between Nichiren Daishonin and Shijo Kenjo. So in this letter, Nichiren talks about a recent attack on Shijo Kenjo by his enemies. Though he was able to escape safely, Nichiren explains that obstacle arises and causes us to harbor doubts, but through his good fortune and firm faith, Shijo was able to show the actual proof of the law. So in this Gosho, Nichiren stresses on the point that the strategy of the Lotus Sutra is the faith in the mystic law, is nothing else and just the faith. If you base your faith in the mystic law and continue to strive harder and exert more in faith, you will be protected and you will gather good fortune. Further, Nichiren writes, great protection of heavenly deities is always in guards of a true votary of the Lotus Sutra. All good fortune that we accumulate from our deeds results in happiness in one's life. Nevertheless, if we run out of our good fortune, no strategy or deity would help us. So Nichiren also explains, like in this Gosho, we are getting a manifestation of our thoughts and our karma in our present life. The only way how we can get the protection from the universe and the environment is we exert as the law teaches, which is cause and effect. We create good causes, we gather good fortune, and we get great protection from the heavenly deities. Further, there were a lot of skillful people, but they have also failed. Therefore, just us to muster our faith and skills. So Nichiren also explains that he gave an example of Masakado and two Chinese warriors who were really very skilled in the war of art, yet they faced defeat in the battleground because Nichiren also says it's the heart that matters the most. So they were skillful, however their hearts or their strategy weren't as strong as the strategy of the Lotus Sutra. So how can we employ the strategy of the Lotus Sutra is basing our actions, our thoughts and our words on faith. Like we create good causes and gather good fortune to overcome all difficulties in our life. Now we'll discuss the pointers from the Gosho, which are faith, courage, wisdom of a true disciple. Thank you.
So, when we believe and base our lives on the strategy of the Lotus Sutra and chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, we reveal our true Buddha nature. In other words, our Buddha wisdom and prudence gets activated, and the people around us are also affected by this. Their Buddha nature is also activated, and so everything falls into its place, and in turn we get protection from our surrounding world. So Buddha wisdom is not just knowledge. We do gain knowledge after listening, reading, and observing many things in this world, but it is not the wisdom in real sense. There are many learned people all over the world, no doubt having wonderful knowledge, but unfortunately some lack proper wisdom. They are intelligent, but their behavior is questionable. They may be short tempered, egoistic, emotional, jealous, greedy, temperamental, etc. On the other hand, there are many others who are very kind, patient, tolerant, and have many other good qualities, but they lack wisdom and can be easily misled by others. But a person having Buddha wisdom has both the virtues, knowledge, as well as compassion and selfless to the end of creating happiness for oneself and others. So, to tap this Buddha wisdom and brilliant victories in our lives, one has to apply the strategy of the Lotus Sutra. But, hold on. It would be a mistake that everything will fall into place and resolve by itself just because we are practicing and chanting. Buddhism is not a latent practice, but it is an action oriented practice. We have to be prudent while making decisions to avoid unnecessary risks. In other words, we are more careful, alert, sensible, and acquire an attentive attitude and take precautions, and we are aware of what is going on around us, and we become more disciplined in our lives. For example, in this corona times, along with our daily prayers, we need to be particularly careful that we should not be complacent or negligent. We should not get arrogant and reckless. We have to be prudent like Shijo Kingo and what he did to survive and thrive. We should also take necessary precautions to ensure our health and safety. I will give you my example. In this months of the lockdown, I planned my time sensibly and developed the habit of taking morning slot in Relay Daimoku. I started taking necessary actions for keeping myself fit, like I used to go for walking, cycling, and etc. And believe me guys, I am still searching and observing a better version of myself.
We can only employ the invincible strategy of the Lotus Sutra if we exercise unconditional faith in our life. Faith means believing in the limitless power of the Gonzon, which in turn is reflection of oneself. Faith is key to the strategy of Lotus Sutra as it brings forth the inherent Buddha wisdom and prudence in our life. Faith is the determination to never give up even in the face of hardship. We stand undefeated. So if our prayers are confident, filled with undeterred faith, then we can fight through any negative karma and come out victorious in our life. Faith is the key to unlocking our own Buddha wisdom and believing in the fact that everyone else also possesses the same Buddha potential as we do. So whatever situation we may be facing, if we base our life on the mystic law, the ultimate law of the universe, that is Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, we will never be deadlocked. For instance, if someone is in a low life state and surrounded by all kind of difficult situations, जैसे जब दिमाग काम करना बंद कर देता है and you feel like अब हिम्मत जवाब दे रही है, this is the time when our unshakable faith in the Lotus Sutra comes for our rescue. With the power of faith, we can surmount our courage and wisdom back in our life and fight back with full vigor and be victorious. This kind of faith cannot be achieved overnight, but we have to constantly work upon it. Here Daishonin is talking about Shijo Kingo, who survived the attack because he still had good fortune and rewards which were born of his absolute faith in the Lotus Sutra. So likewise, in this unprecedented times when everybody is facing different kind of challenges because of this pandemic, we bodhisattvas of the earth need to muster up our full courage with profound faith in our practice and gear up to do as much Kosen Rufu as we can so that everyone around us can become victorious in their life in this ever victorious campaign of BSG.
We as a bodhisattva of the earth should inherit the Buddha quality of courage because it is very important for a bodhisattva to be courageous. Now, what type of courage do we need as a practitioner or member? Courage is a very important virtue of a Buddha to face every challenge with a life state of Buddha in a calm and composed manner. It is defined as courage in Buddhism. The courage to propagate the law, cherishing each life and having hope amidst gravest of the challenges is courage. To think very obstacle as an opportunity and rejoice it is courage. The courage to do our human revolution, although we know it's very difficult, still taking it up as necessary and taking it as our own responsibility is courage. Applying the strategy of Lotus Sutra in our day-to-day struggle and practicing selflessly for the sake of happiness of others. It requires immense courage to make our practice our mission and work for the happiness of others, even though we are facing lots of challenges ourselves. I am sharing my personal experience as a practitioner, and I used to chant for myself when I newly joined this philosophy, and I got the results and prayers answered, but not in the proper way. Taking guidance from my senior leaders in faith, I realized that it is a very selfless and mission-oriented practice, so in a way, human revolution.
Thank you everyone for explaining the concept so beautifully. Now I would like to sum up this with some action points. First is faith. We should always have a faith first attitude. Applying the strategy of the Lotus Sutra itself means believing in the power of the mystic law. Second, actions based on faith. That is Kosen Rufu. Kosen Rufu literally means propagating the law, believing in everyone's Buddha nature, and spreading joy and happiness in others' life. Third is human revolution. By chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, we can do our inner transformation and fight against our own cowardice, negative tendencies and weaknesses. Fourth is courage. Nichiren Daishonin urges us to strengthen our faith ever more and strictly reminds us that our prayers can never be answered if we are coward. So we should be courageous enough to overcome any hardship or obstacles and become victorious. Fifth is seeking spirit. The mentor, through his own actions and behavior, teaches what is to live a life based on a true vow, and the disciple responds by seeking the mentor. So, when we face any challenges or hardships, we must seek our mentor, learn from him, and apply the same actions in our life. This is how the strategy of the Lotus Sutra can be employed. So, to conclude, I would like to share Sensei's words. Sensei Keda says, when we manifest the powerful life force of Buddhahood from within us through chanting Nam Myoho Renge Kyo, we can bring forth the courage to move forward, the wisdom to triumph, and the compassion to encourage and support others. Thank you very much.
As hundreds of thousands of Shinichis now, we rise to fulfill our vow. As hundreds of thousands of Shinichis now, we rise to fulfill